Alright, this is my week 5 summary. Jumping into it. The first thing that we had was our net resource, RepRap. So it was, could RepRap movement fundamentally change the world? Yeah, it already has. It's being changed day by day with how easy it is to get 3D prototypes and all sorts of stuff so cheap and so easily, especially at the consumer level now. Looking through, there were 2 other neat resources that stood out to me. Justin Barr put up this ad or infographic, I guess, from HP about how 3D printing has already and will change the world. For example, 3D printing is predicted to become a $30 billion market as early as 2022. In 2 years, it could be a $30 billion market. That's a lot of zeros. The other one was Andrew Oxley posted a video about Adrian Boyer. He invented 3D printing, or the 3D printer. And the video is basically about where he wants to go with it, and what he's got planned in the future. So I thought those were interesting. For the discussion, it was Shift Happens, and it was about a video about all sorts of new statistics that came out in 2020 for this video. Nothing in this video surprised me. I understand that our society is becoming largely dependent on technology, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just how it's changing. But I just think it's interesting, all the different statistics that are coming out that people are mind blown by, even though they are the reason that the statistics are what they are. And then the last topic to discuss was Project 2. So me and Sean Sullivan, Eric Sullivan properly, are going to be doing it again. Our team name is the Maddie and Sean Show again. So we've begun to discuss the project a little bit, try and figure out what it's asking for. And in due time and with more clarification, there will be more understanding about it. But yeah, it's going to be us two for this project. Other than that, that's all I got. This is my week 5 summary.